Good morning, welcome to a very cold danST engineering workshop this morning. I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce our new project car that we've got going on at the moment. So a lot of you will have seen on our 2.5 Duratec videos we have an MK Indy Lotus 7 style kit car which we've done a lot of development on, and we do a little bit of, well, some track days and some sprinting, that sort of stuff. But we picked up this raw striker that you can see behind me early last year. It was originally intended that we were going to buy it and put an engine in it and probably resell it, but when we got this car back to the workshop and started looking around it, we realised how well it had been put together. It's an ex-competition car. We bought it from a lovely chap in Wales. Done a lot of hill climbing and sprinting in it. Done very well with it, and it has really been built to a lovely standard. So yeah, this is now going to get my big spec 2.5 Duratec that we've been building, or had built, and a fully sequential Quaife gearbox for all the bang bang goodness, and maybe a set of flappy paddles. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted to go around the car and give you a bit of an introduction to it. I'm going to do a bit of a build series on it. Should have started earlier because as you can see, we've actually got the engine in now. Yeah, just a quick overview really. So as I say, it's a raw striker. Anybody who knows these cars, Lotus 7 style kit cars, will know that the strikers are really well regarded in terms of handling and performance. They're very small, a lot smaller than the MK that we're used to, so a bit narrower, a bit shorter, and definitely lighter. The guy who built this, he had a Vauxhall XE engine in it, 1600, reckoned it was just a shade under 500 kilograms. So yeah, with our 2.5 that we've got here, this is a 12:1 compression 2.5. It's got stage 4 VCT cams in there, so we're retaining the VVT still, but a much higher lift than we've previously used. So yeah, we'll see what it can do, but I'm hoping for at least 270 brake. We like to be realistic, but yeah, between 270 and 300 would be nice. So yeah, that will be quite something in a little striker chassis. So yeah, as I say, we've got the engine mounted. It's got in surprisingly well, considering how small these cars are. It actually fits really nicely. We do have a bulge in the bonnet that's standard on these cars, as you can see down there. So the height of the Duratec actually isn't a problem at all. It's actually better than it is in the MK. We've managed to get it right back as well, as close as we can to the bulkhead. Obviously the bell housing is a limiting factor, so that bell housing is a rear wheel drive motorsport one. It does go in there nicely. We have notched one side of it and re-welded it just to get it right as far back as we possibly can. To position the gear lever absolutely brilliantly as well in there. So yeah, it should make for a really good handling and a very powerful car. So yeah, we've got it in, we've got the mounts done. We're just working on, if I can pan you down slightly, just working on dry sump tank at the moment. So we've got a modified Westfield one here. We've notched it out at each side, as you can see. That allows it to go around the two front shocks. So that's going to mount down there. That's the bottom half of it. Obviously we've got the top half to re-weld on with the outlets pointing in the relevant directions. So that's one of the next jobs to finish that off, and then of course what we do best, we're going to start with the inlet, get that inlet flange put on there and get it port matched to the head. So this has got one of our not CNC, but one of our ported heads on there. So yeah, it's 12:1 compression, ported head, stage 4 VCT cams. So that will need to be port matched to the cylinder head as the first job, and then we are going to obviously fabricate a nice inlet to use these 55mm throttle bodies, so the biggest that we offer. So that'll be interesting. We'll see how they go, but they're just absolutely lovely. Come from our DCOE range that we offer. We've got a ME loom loosely laid in here, so it's the Duratec loom that Motorsport Electronics do, that we offer. So it's a plug and play loom for the Duratec engine. We are going coil on plug on this, so it will have the coil on plug sub loom added to it as well. So yeah, that's another little job for us to get the coil on plugs working. And then yeah, a few other jobs to do. So we're working on the cooling system. At the moment, we're just modifying the existing radiator to have the outlets and inlets at the relevant places for the Duratec engine. So yeah, that was just a quick overview of the striker that we're building. I'm going to keep updating this, do a bit of a series so you can see it as it progresses, hopefully. So yeah, look out for the next one. Drop us a comment in the bottom if you like these videos, subscribe and all the rest of it. Visit our website if you're interested in any Duratec components or any other inlet related stuff, engine management and that sort of thing. Okay, thank you.